Yeah, I'm really excited for the WEC season. You know, we're here again. We're starting in Sebring. We've not been here with the hypercar. It's it's really interesting, you know, to see how it's going to perform and to try and make the best car possible. Yeah, basically we're checking over the car, you know, after the running now. So we're changing any components that we need to because of lifing, and we're checking over the car, make sure we haven't had any problems. Really having a good check because it's the first time that we've been here now with the hypercar. So we have to be especially vigilant because the car's, you know, it's very bumpy circuit, as you know. So we just want to be, just make sure everything's really working as smooth as possible. Yeah, so we have like, you know, we have like guys for each department, you know, in each component on the car. So they have like a specific area that they have to look after. And then when the car comes back like now, everybody checks their area, you know. I have a general overview, so as a number one, look over the car, make sure that everything's being done properly to the job list that the engineer gives me. And then, yeah, we just, that's basically the rebuild, you know, how it works. And then until the setup. Yeah, I'm really proud, you know, to work at Toyota GAZOO Racing. You know, we have colleagues from all over the world, different nationalities, you know, that all come together, you know, so in the end it works really well, you know. Sebring's is the first race of the year. It's a very like unique track, very bumpy. So, you know, obviously has a lot of challenges, you know, here. The targets, first and second.